checking your dog for ticks and lumps and bumps, it's important to check them every single day. Lulu's up on a table simply because she's comfortable with being on a grooming table, but if your dog is not comfortable, please start this exercise on the floor. It's really important that your dog is on prevention for ticks if you live in a tick-infested area and you need to speak to your vets about that. What we're going to do is we're going to start working from the base of the tail and we work against the grain of the coat. In order to do this, I've created a yummy ice block for her, and it's something that she only gets, which is tuna, when I'm working on grooming, so that she's become really comfortable with being groomed and handled, and she's actually then kept busy. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ask her to stand up, and I'll just place that there for her. There you go. And all I'm going to do now is using my hands, starting at the base and working my way gently, feeling against the grain of the coat, up to the tail area, around the bottom area, and running my hands down the back. And I'll say the word back as I go. Yes. Right up to the neck, and then right over the head, just to make sure that you cannot feel any nasty lumps or bumps. Then I'm going to start from the base of the foot, and very gently I'm just running my finger through there and up through the back of her leg. Again, just feeling as I go. Yes, clever girl. Giving her a little bit of encouragement. You can see I'm running my hand against the grain. I want to come up under the armpit. It's a terrible area, it's where ticks can hide. And then I come to the front foot, and again, just placing my finger in gently so I can feel. And I'm bringing my hand up, around. I'm going to come under her neck and have a feel. Up under the ears, which is where ticks really do hide, and the muzzle. So it is important that as I work both sides of the dog that I'm feeling for any lumps and bumps. What I'm then going to do, see if I can encourage her head up for a moment, and I'm just going to lift her lip, and you can have a feel or you can look. You can use the word mouth. And what you're wanting to do is to check that there are no ticks in this muzzle area. Muzzle. So I can feel, or you can lift the head up and you can actually have a good look in the mouth as well. Yes. And it also gives you a good chance to have a look at their teeth. And then all I'm going to do is run my hand under her tummy, say the word tummy, that's as her head goes straight into my treat pouch, and have a bit of a feel underneath. Once you are happy that you have done your tick check, you can then ask your dog to lie down and give them a tummy rub, and then you can actually do a visual and check their tummy area as well. Please remember that ticks can hide in the ears. Ears. Yes. So it is important to be checking in the ears. If your dog is really sick and you've done a tick check and your vet isn't sure as well, unfortunately we've had one instance of this, which is why I'm on camera saying it. The tick was up the dog's nostril, so it's probably important for vets to check up your dog's nostrils as well. Practice your tick checks every single day, and this way your dog gets used to being handled, especially for those dogs that perhaps aren't groomed on a regular basis.